Let's take a look at the results settings below. Point cloud optimization can reduce the thickness of the point cloud, making the display of local structures more detailed and the point cloud thinner. Move Objects filter can filter moving people and objects, reducing point cloud noise. Coloring can assign colors to the point cloud using photos taken during the collection process. There are two modes. Fast coloring has high efficiency but average effect, and is used in scenarios where coloring requirements are not high. HPC True Color Coloring is slow in efficiency but good in effect, and is used in scenarios where coloring requirements are high. When HPC True Color Coloring is selected, the estimated processing time will be calculated below according to the computer configuration. The sampling rate can be set to select the percentage of the point cloud to be retained. Click on Advanced Settings. 3D distance filtering can filter the point cloud by the distance to the center of the laser. Intensity filtering filters the point cloud through the intensity information of the data. Point cloud denoising can remove floating noise attached to the surface of the point cloud and improve the overall effect of the point cloud. The default scene type will be consistent with the type of field data collection. Remove unshaded points can make points with RGBs not participate in the calculation, improving the visualization effect of the point cloud. Output image POS can output information such as the position, attitude, and time of the image. In model processing, you can choose to output mesh or 3D Gaussian model data, and it is necessary to ensure that the device has corresponding permissions when collecting data. After setting the output directory, click Start to begin the processing.